What is going on? Welcome back to another video. Daniel here. So we all know that newsletters are the new thing. Everyone's talking about them, and it's sort of like the new way to create an online stream of income. And this video, I'm going to be talking about a company that's leading the charge when it comes to newsletters, making it accessible for everyone with their tool. And that company is Beehiiv. In this video, I'm going to be going over, doing sort of like a deep dive into Beehiiv. First, I'm talking about, the pricing, talking about the plans that they have, how you can get started with Beehiiv. Then we'll go into the software itself and just look over some of the tools that they have so that you can know whether this tool is for you if you want to start a growing newsletter, if you want to create an income stream through newsletters. I made a video in the past talking about newsletters, how you can make money with them, but in my subsequent videos I'm talking about strategies that you can use to grow your newsletter through organic and paid means, so that you can start riding the wave of newsletters when they're still pretty young. So let's dive right into it. So what I have right here is the Beehiiv platform itself. I'm going to be going over, the plans, the pricing, and what you get for each one of them. So the first one is the launch plan, which is a $0 plan that allows you to get started for absolutely zero. And that gives you up to 2,500 subscribers. And what's included in that? A custom website, custom newsletters, analytics, unlimited email sends, up to 3 publications, recommendation network. I'll talk about that in just a little bit, and so on and so forth. So you get audience segmentation, custom domain, and API access. Now the scale plan, which is their most popular plan, is a $39 a month plan that gives you you can choose how many subscribers you want to have with this one. If you choose up to 2,500 subscribers, of course it's going to increase, but it comes with extra whatever you have in the launch plan, which is a free plan, plus more. So it gives you access to the ad network, which allows you to find other newsletters to promote your newsletter on. The boost network, which means that ad network allows you to advertise within your newsletter for other newsletters, offer products, offer services, whatever that is. So that's the ad network, and you get paid based on your CPM or your cost per click. Now the boost network allows you to promote your newsletter in other newsletters, within other newsletters. So it gives you a network of other newsletters that closely aligns with your audience, so you can promote yours and grow your own newsletter in the process. So paid subscriptions, so meaning you can charge people to subscribe to your newsletter. Email automations, of course you can automate emails, set out your campaigns for days and weeks and months in advance. The referral program, meaning you can now be able to refer Beehiiv to other people and make money from people who sign up with your referral code. 3D analytics, Beehiiv AI, survey forms and polls. You can invite your team into the skill plan, Slack community access, webhooks, and live support. Now the max plan is for people who want to get more, and you get everything in skill, plus you can remove the Beehiiv branding. You get unlimited seats, but you can have as many team members as you want, up to 10 publications, priority live support, audio newsletter, RSS to send, newsletter XP course, and then the enterprise pricing, which allows you to build things as you go, sort of like an a la carte service, allows you to have sort of like an enterprise plan to if you're producing newsletter at scale, maybe for an enterprise or a company and whatnot. So I'm going to sign up for the scale plan right now, and we're going to see what's inside of it. So let's sign up for a 30-day free trial, and I'm going to sign up. Just go through your process. I'm going to speed it up now. All right, so I'm just going to set it up now. I'm going to name it Daniel's Newsletter. Now you are in, but if you want to upgrade and unlock all the features, you can upgrade and do that right away. But if you want to do a free trial, then you won't have access to the ad network, to the boost, to the paid subscriptions, and your sending will be limited to 2,500 subscribers. So I'm going to do free trial, start free trial, because that's the purpose of this video. We just want to take a look around and see what's going on. All right, So we're inside of new Beehiiv newsletter. This is what it looks like. We're using the 30-day free trial, and it says right now that I have 0 active subscribers, which is rightfully so. Now let's look at some of the things that they have here. So let's go to the design, which is what interests me the most, because now this is a very new product that they just launched, which is the website builder. So let's go under design. You'll see the website builder there. We have the website builder, and newsletter builder. And here you have your audience, your subscribers, your segment, automations, poll, service, and subscribe forms. Then in the next one, you have the grow, which is the referral program, recommendations, magic links, and boosts. Then under the next one, you have monetize, which is where you have your ads, your boosts, and your paid subscriptions, which we don't have access to right now. Then analyze, of course, you can see your subscribers report, your post report, and your clicks report. So this is just what it looks like. And if you come here to the top right corner, you have your share and earn, you have your wallet, you have your help section. If you click on share and earn, this is where you'll be able to refer other people to use Beehiiv. And what happens is you get 50% commissions for the next 12 months and become eligible for quarterly beach club giveaway and other prizes. So if you refer someone to Beehiiv, you'll be able to get 50% commission for 12 months, and I think that's pretty good. So if someone signs up for the $39 plan, meaning you'll be able to get about $19.50 for every subscriber that you refer on the $39 plan. Now if they're subscribe for the $80 plus plan, you're getting about $40 to $50. So I think that's a very good thing. And if you refer enough people, you can even make a good chunk of change from from doing that. So let's see how we can sign up for the referral program. It's going to ask you a few questions. What best describes you? I'm gonna say I am an agency or a consultant, and I'm gonna accept the terms of service, and I'm going to do join the partner program. So checking partner link, and successfully created an affiliate. So let's see what the affiliate section looks like. And I think this is very good for someone who's already creating content in the creator niche, someone who can reach a lot of people. I think it's a very good thing because you can make money just passively by just talking about Beehiiv and just sharing the links. And by the way, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description just for you to sign up if you want to. Of course, it's an affiliate link, so check out the link below. Anyway, so right now the partner program earns commissions by simply introducing new customers to Beehiiv, and they have a lot of resources for you as well. Your overview, success kits, and how you can receive your commissions through PayPal. So that's that. So if you want to get started here, so you can use the design tool to create your newsletter website, so you can start collecting email address, and you can use the website builder to build a website for your newsletter if you want to create a more professional look, for people to subscribe and for people to sign up and just hear whatever you have to say. And of course, you can also have your subscribers pay to access your newsletter, and there's a lot of different things you can do, which I talked about, like the boost function, like the ad network, which allows you to advertise your newsletter in other people's other people's newsletters within other people's newsletters, and the boost, which allows you to to advertise other people's newsletters inside your own newsletter and get paid for that. So you want to finish all this action steps right here. There's 5 of them. The guided tip tutorial, we've already done that. Then you can customize your website, you customize your theme, get your first subscriber, and write your first draft. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about how you can customize your newsletter website so you can start collecting emails. It's going to be right here on the screen, so you can click on that. And also I'm going to be talking about some of the important features of Beehiiv and how you can start creating a kind of consistent and profitable newsletter if that's what you wish to do. Anyways, I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.